Millions of Muslims travel to Saudi Arabia each year to perform Umrah. The Umrah eVisa, issued under the Saudi Tourist eVisa system, allows eligible travelers to enter the kingdom and complete Umrah any time of the year outside the Hajj period. Umrah is a pilgrimage to Mecca that carries deep spiritual value. It is shorter than Hajj and can be performed at any time, making it a meaningful act of worship for visitors across the world. The Umrah eVisa is valid for 1 year, supports multiple entries, and each stay can be up to 90 days. It is strictly for Umrah and general visits, not for Hajj, work, or long-term stays. Applying for the eVisa is simple. You provide your personal, passport, and travel details. Upload the required documents in clear digital format, make the online fee payment, and receive the approved eVisa by email. Processing is fast, with options such as normal, rush, and super rush, depending on how soon you need the visa. Travelers can also use dedicated apps after arrival to manage their Umrah plans and services.